Medics. I have got a Toyota Avensis on a 2005 plate. Just doing a side light bulb. It is a small bulb. I will share the number with you in a minute, but before I do that, can you switch the lights on please? Just one click. That's it, lovely. Now as you can see there, that one's working. And then on this side, this one isn't working, as well as the number plate. You can see right there, this one's working and this one isn't. Sometimes they work when you tap on it. You just did. Anyways, lights off. Now I'm just going to show you how it's done if you come round. But before I do that, this is the bulb we need. It's a 24S part number. That's what you need. And to do it, it is quite a simple procedure. I'm just going to get you in there. I've already removed this cover. But on the inside, if I switch the lights on the inside, that's what you want to remove the cluster. So you've got a clip on the top, and then you've got a clip behind this wire as well. So all you do, push the clip forward, and then from the top push the clip in, and then take the whole thing out. So once you've got it out, so you can replace the brake light bulb, the fog light bulb, the reverse light, the indicator. Everything can be done from one place. But what we need to do is now take this bulb out. We've got the new one. There's only one way the new one would go. So that's the bulb right there. So make sure your hands are not oily or anything. I think that's the way. Yep, make sure your hands are not oily or anything, so they're all dry. And then what you do, you slot it in. Same thing again, just slot it in nice and gently so don't damage anything. We're going to look on the inside now, make sure that slots in. There we go. And that's still not going in properly, so I just need to make sure I get it in right. There we go. That is it. So I've got the bottom one in right, and then I've got the top one in as well. Hold it 1 second, let me just get that right. That's it, that's in. Now what we got to do, we're just going to check, see if it's working. Could you switch the lights on please now? There we go. Now that one's working as well. That's all you got to do. Just make sure you put everything back together as well. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you and goodbye.